size comparison of 5 different Lionel American Flyer engines. I have aligned the cabs so they're more or less in a straight line, and you can see how far the noses stick out. So smallest is a Berkshire. The next one over is a Y3 or a 2882. Next in line is a Northern, standard good old Northern, number 800. After the Northern is a Challenger, the famous number X3985 Challenger, soon to be a new museum piece as it's been moved from Wyoming to east, and I believe in Illinois or Ohio. And last but not least, the remarkable X4014 big boy. But you can get some idea of the challenge. If you're going to put them on your layout, how long are they? Our little Berkshire pulling the Polar Express is there, and it turns out this handy little 2882 fits in these compact layouts really well. Northern works fine, wheelbase is okay, and then our two articulated or other articulated ones have problems. They like really, really flat, rigid layouts. Otherwise they flex and they can make shorts and all kinds of stuff, and nasty things can happen to your electronics. I recommend you be careful. So here's the whole thing. And by the way, that represents about 25 pounds of engines, maybe a little more. All right, enjoy.